Let's start with a little review of FOIL. If we had x squared and 5x and 4, how can we factor that using FOIL? Remember that FOIL stands for first, outside, inside, last. Usually with factoring problems like these, we start with 2 parentheses. Our first term is easy. X times x, that's x squared. How do we get to that last term? We have to think of a number that we can multiply to get to 4, yet add to reach 5. That's pretty easy. 1 times 4 is 4, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So let's put in 1 and 4 here, and this is positive and this is positive, so we can make that positive. Let's check it. Our first terms, x times x is x squared. Outside, 4x. Inside, 1 times x, 1x, and last is 4. Now we combine our like terms. And yay, we ended up with what we wanted to have. All right. Now, let's try something a little harder. See if you can factor we're going to use FOIL. Let's set up our parentheses. Our first term is easy. What's a fairly typical way to get to 12? By multiplication. Well, 4 and 3, but that won't let us add up to get to 8. How about 6 and 2? 6 times 2 is 12, but we need them to add up to be a negative 8 and multiply to be a positive 12. How can we do that? What if we made both numbers negative? Let's test that. First, x times x, x squared. Outside, negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Inside, negative 6 times x, negative 6x. And last, negative 6 times negative 2 is positive 12. Let's check it. Let's add our common, our like terms. X squared minus 8x, negative 2x plus negative 6x is negative 8x plus 12. Okay. From here, we're going to talk about simplifying rational equations. So if you did these two easily, you should be ready.